there, Chrissy here from CouponConfidants.com, and I just want to show you really quickly how to use the Fetch app in action. I did do another video going into detail on the Fetch app and what are its benefits, how it works, and things like that. You can watch that video. I'll leave it linked down below. But this is just kind of how to show you, give you a visual of how to go ahead and upload a receipt. So you just open your Fetch app. It really doesn't matter if you planned ahead or not. If you want to get used to all the brands, you can kind of go through here and just get used to them. But basically you just shop the way you would normally shop. And if you have something on the receipt that counts, it's gonna activate it for you. They also have bonuses here that go on. You could see for a limited time, like these expire in 7 days. So if these are things that you normally buy, or maybe you're like, I'm going to go ahead and stock up on local, honey here from Walmart, whatever. You can go ahead and buy some of these specifically so you get these bonus points. So as you can see, when I stop scrolling, the little camera shows up in the bottom right. You just go ahead and click on that. And you just go ahead and get the receipt in there like this and take a picture. And if it's longer, you need to make sure that the date's in there. As you can see, my date is already in there. But if it didn't fit, you would add a section like this, and you can just kind of come down again. And you hit submit. Your receipt will go ahead and upload, and it's going to tell you I got 59 points because I bought an Ocean Spray product. Once you scroll down, everything else on your receipt is going to pop up as well. Now, if I bought something here, like these wingettes, and they were, like, let's say Tyson brand or something that's on the receipt, you can go ahead and correct the receipt, and you have a few days to do it. So you can go back and say, hey, wait a minute, these wingettes were, well, Tyson's not even one, but I don't even know what one of the chicken ones, I think is, Hormel maybe? I don't know. Anyway, my point is, if you know that you bought a product that, did not register correctly in the app, you can go ahead and correct that. You just click on it, and then you can just go ahead and go through the list and search through to correct it. So you just hit cancel, done, and the receipt stays there. I'll just show you another one really quickly. There's a small Publix one. Take a picture, submit. Now, Ibotta works a little bit differently. As you can see, there you go, your receipt scan bonus, 50 points. I don't know why it says from Ocean Spray, which I should have got points for anyway. Oh, I guess it was extra points. I think it should have been like 39 points, and instead they gave me 50. Anyway, like I said, just go down. If there's something that you bought that you feel is part of the the program and it didn't register correctly, you can correct the receipt. Otherwise, you just go ahead and hit done. And that's it. You can kind of go back through your receipts, your points earned. Look, you see when I was really active, and then I fell off in 2021 just started, but all of the receipts, it really adds up. Every 3,000 points is $3, so you can see how much I have earned in my lifetime. That's it. If you have any questions,